Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in a Honda Accord. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential tools like an AC recharge kit, safety glasses, and gloves. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch before beginning any work. Then, locate the low-pressure service port, which is typically found on the passenger side and often marked with an L cap. This preparation is crucial for a smooth process. With your safety gear on, it is time to connect the recharge kit. Firmly attach the quick connect fitting of the recharge hose to the low-pressure service port. You should hear a distinct click, indicating a secure and leak-free connection. Next, start your Honda Accord's engine, turn the air conditioning system to its maximum cold setting, and set the fan speed to high. This prepares the system for refrigerant intake. Now, let's add the refrigerant. Hold the can upright and slowly squeeze the trigger, allowing the refrigerant to flow into the system. It is important to shake the can gently every 10 to 15 seconds to ensure the refrigerant mixes properly. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge on your kit, stopping immediately once it indicates the manufacturer's recommended pressure level for your Honda Accord. Overfilling can cause damage. Once the correct pressure is achieved, quickly and carefully disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure service port. It is a good practice to visually inspect the connection area for any signs of refrigerant leaks. Finally, turn off your engine and enjoy the significantly improved cooling performance of your Honda Accord's air conditioning system. Your cabin should now be much cooler and more comfortable for your drives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.